Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will dive into the world of the Ellipal Titan, a powerful and secure cryptocurrency wallet. Whether you're an experienced crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills to maximize the potential of your digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key features of the Ellipal Titan, how to set it up securely, how to use it for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, how to manage your profile like a pro, and the crucial aspect of backup and recovery to safeguard your crypto assets. So let's get started on your journey to fortify your crypto assets. Unlock the power of Ellipal Titan. The Ellipal Titan is a hardware wallet designed to store and protect your valuable cryptocurrencies. Unlike software wallets that are connected to the internet and vulnerable to hacks, the Ellipal Titan keeps your private keys completely offline, providing an unparalleled level of security. With its air-gapped design, the Titan is impervious to remote attacks, ensuring your digital assets remain safe from cyber threats. If you're still looking for one, you'll find a link in the description below. Secure your cryptos. Choosing the right cryptocurrency wallet is crucial, and the Ellipal Titan offers several compelling reasons to consider it. Firstly, its air-gapped security makes it virtually unhackable, providing you with peace of mind even in the face of sophisticated cyber threats. Secondly, the Titan features a large and intuitive touchscreen interface, making it user-friendly for both seasoned users and newcomers to the crypto world. Furthermore, its support for a wide array of cryptocurrencies allows you to manage your entire portfolio in one place. Lastly, its rugged design ensures your digital wealth is protected in any situation, whether you're at home or exploring the world. Setting up your Titan. Setting up and using the Ellipal Titan is easy and secure. When unboxing your brand new Titan, you'll find the device itself, a USB cable for charging, and a recovery sheet. During the initial setup process, you'll create a strong PIN to access your wallet securely, and you'll generate a recovery phrase. Safeguarding this phrase is crucial as it acts as your digital backup key. Backup and recovery. Just like Fort Knox has robust security measures in place to protect its treasures, the Titan allows you to create a fail-safe backup to ensure you never lose access to your digital wealth. The backup phrase you generated during the initial setup is your lifeline in case of unexpected events such as device loss, damage, or theft. It's imperative to keep this recovery phrase safe and secure, away from prying eyes or potential threats. Losing access to this recovery phrase means you could potentially lose access to your cryptocurrency holdings forever. Creating a secure backup of your Ellipal Titan wallet is a straightforward process. It's recommended to write down the recovery phrase on a physical piece of paper, avoiding digital storage as it may be susceptible to cyber attacks. Store this backup phrase in a secure location, such as a locked safe or a dedicated security box. To ensure you've accurately recorded the backup phrase, it's essential to test the recovery process. With your Titan securely powered off, follow the instructions to restore the wallet using the recovery phrase you've written down. This practice run will give you confidence that you can access your funds if the need arises. In the unfortunate event of losing or damaging your Ellipal Titan, you can always recover your wallet and funds using the backup phrase. By following the recovery process on a new or replacement Titan device, you can regain access to your crypto assets and continue managing your portfolio seamlessly. Backup and recovery are essential components of securing your crypto assets with the Ellipal Titan, making it akin to Fort Knox for safeguarding your digital wealth. By creating a secure backup and practicing the recovery process, you can rest assured that your cryptocurrency holdings are protected, no matter what challenges come your way. Pairing made simple. After setting up the Titan, the next step is to pair it with your smartphone using the free Ellipal app. Available on both the App Store and Google Play, the Ellipal app allows you to manage your transactions, check your balance, and configure additional security features like two-factor authentication. Send and receive cryptos. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies with the Ellipal Titan is straightforward and secure. To receive funds, you simply provide the sender with your wallet address, which can be conveniently displayed on the Titan screen. When it comes to sending funds, you use the Ellipal app to input the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send. After confirming the details on the Titan screen and entering your secure PIN, the transaction is signed and securely executed, ensuring the safety of your digital assets. Manage your portfolio like a pro. The Ellipal Titan supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more altcoins. This broad range of supported assets gives you the flexibility to diversify your portfolio without needing multiple wallets. Managing your cryptocurrencies on the Titan is made easy with its large, user-friendly display. The Ellipal app allows you to add or remove supported coins, ensuring your portfolio is always up to date. Keep track of your balances, view recent transactions, and monitor your portfolio's performance at a glance, all in one convenient place. Your shield in the crypto world. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of the Ellipal Titan, a powerful hardware wallet designed to safeguard your valuable cryptocurrencies. Its air-gapped security, user-friendly interface, and broad coin support make it an ideal choice for protecting and managing your digital wealth. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your crypto journey, the Ellipal Titan empowers you with the ultimate security and control over your digital assets. As we conclude this tutorial, remember to prioritize the security of your crypto assets by implementing the measures we've discussed today. Safeguard your recovery phrase like you would Fort Knox's most valuable treasures. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Until next time, stay safe and happy investing in the world of cryptocurrencies.